Yana, do you know that there's a comet up there right now?
Yes.
So what's the name of the comet? Do you know?
I forgot its name, but it's coming here. But I wish it doesn't hit Earth, but it will not.
It's not going to hit Earth,
I know.
but it's a fairly bright comet that survived the sun.
Bumble juice. Bumble juice.
Its name is Neowise.
Oh look, Pennywise has made its own comet.
It's Neowise,
It's
not
Pennywise.
Do you know Neo? That guy from The Matrix. By the way, it's not him. But anyway,
It's Pennywise.
Neowise. Neowise
Pennywise.
is a very bright comet, and I think it's right there in the constellation Auriga right now.
Oroguagua.
Do you know the constellation Auriga? Crickets. Crickets. Well, I hope that we'll be able to get the chance to see it. Maybe even shoot a video. It's bright enough. So we'll just be using our cell phones. And yeah, I have a 3-inch Newtonian reflector, and it has
Oh,
a
can you borrow
damaged
your microscope?
mirror. My microscope? Microscope?
Kuya said it was portable.
Oh, you mean that small microscope slash telescope? Of course, mommy has kept it somewhere. Huh? You hear that?
Akala ko yung totoong microscope.
Mommy reacted.
There, I won't really borrow it. I'm just joking.
Well, anyway, this morning and last night I was able to take a video of the moon, and right beside the moon, just off to the right, upper right, was Jupiter. It was very bright. The moon was not quite full, but it was very bright. And when I zoomed in, there, just above the moon, was Saturn. So I'm going to show you the videos, and I'm also going to show you the video that I made using that sky map. It's on the cell phone. I recorded it.
And I teached him how to use
Yes.
screen recording.
Yana here taught me how to use it. So here it is, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, I just saw the moon outside the window, and I'm gonna shoot a video of it right now. And you can see there's another bright object just above and to the right of the moon. That's actually Jupiter. I think that's Jupiter, definitely. Looks like Jupiter. And if I zoom in just a little bit, and if I can zoom in a bit more, yes, let's focus on that. Yeah, there you go. So we can see that there are two bright objects above the moon. One is directly above the moon, which is fainter, and Jupiter, which is to the right. And yeah, you can ignore the reflections, the ones that move. And I think the one directly above the moon is Saturn. So I'm going to use a software now to see exactly what we are looking at. So here it is. Alright, so this is a sky map, and it's now showing the moon, Jupiter, and Saturn. So earlier we saw the moon, the actual moon, and Jupiter, which is the bright planet. So now we know that the fainter planet is Saturn. And there's also Pluto. But I think it's hidden by Jupiter. Oh, look at that. Look at that sky. What else is in the sky? Okay, that's the horizon. Oh, look at that. This is the area of Sagittarius, so this is the part where the Milky Way crosses. Lots of M objects here. And on the other side, yeah, there's M29 and M39. And there's Polaris, the North Star. Hey, there's Ursa Minor, the little bear. And to the west, we have more M objects. It's the western horizon. And over here we have Scorpius. Yep. And back to the moon, Saturn, and Jupiter. So interesting. So there's a comet out there tonight. It's called, I forgot the name. It's called something like Neo. Neo. No, it's a Neo. Neo something. So it's going to be a good target for observation. So let's watch for it. Let's see if we can view this comet.